I hadn't seen anybody use one of these yet on Cast Iron Wednesday. Tell you what, man, that's some good stuff. I want to thank Big Lew. You should check out his channel. I'll put a link down there. Big Lew BBQ. Just a good old guy, man. You know, I'm subbed to 6 or 7 cooking channels, and you know, I'm subbed to those people, guys and girls, because I like the people. I can easily Google a recipe or find it in a cookbook or something, but I like watching these guys and girls who do it in their yard, because that's what I do, you know. So anyway, Big Lew has some good stuff going on over in his backyard, man. I'd encourage you to check him out. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link down there to Big Lew, and I'll put a link to his video where he did the jacked up shrimp. Now, he did it a little different than me. But I told him when I saw it, I said, I'm going to have to do that, man. So anyway, thanks, Big Lew, and we'll see y'all later.